Hello folks, we're going to try to clear up one of the great mysteries of the world. Got 4 different Squiers, all from different eras, have different type pickups in them. And it's been a mystery, so we're going to start out with a standard model, about a 2004 model. Alright, now we're going to jump up here to an Affinity model, about a 2000 model or so. Play the same thing. Same position, second out of phase bridge position. Alright, a little bassier to me. Now we're going to jump to a Korean 95 model. The same thing. A little bit more mids and trebles on that. Finally, we got a Squier 2 90 model with a native Van Halen finish. Good. Alright, they all sound pretty good, but the Koreans sound a little bit better. Especially the Squier 2 has a bit better intonation.